Dumpster rental service in Harrisburg, South Dakota. Rockn Rolloffs provides a top-tier dumpster rental service in Harrisburg, South Dakota, making construction waste management simple and efficient. Whether you're working on a new build, demolition, or large-scale renovation, we have durable dumpsters to keep your worksite clean and organized. Construction projects generate significant debris, including wood, drywall, concrete, metal, and roofing materials. Our spacious dumpsters are built to handle heavy loads, ensuring a reliable waste disposal solution for contractors, builders, and project managers. We offer flexible rental periods to accommodate both short-term and long-term jobs so you can focus on your project without worrying about waste piling up. At Rockn Rolloffs, we provide on-time deliveries and prompt pickups, keeping your job site efficient and compliant with safety regulations. We understand construction deadlines are crucial, so we offer hassle-free scheduling and competitive rates with no hidden fees. Our team is committed to exceptional customer service and to ensuring that you have the right dumpster for your specific project needs. No matter the scale of your construction work, we're here to help. Call Rockn Rolloffs at 605-214-4080 to rent your dumpster today. Harrisburg's trusted choice for dumpster rental service is Rockn Rolloffs.